Hi children. We are discussing about the addition. Before we are added two numerical number and three numerical number. They have different number of digits. They have different also. We arranged in column method and we added the total. We came the total. It will be we call is a sum. We call. Today properties of addition. In the properties of addition means whatever order, which order we are adding the numbers also, we will get the total sum. It will be is same. That way, by that way, it will be main three properties are there for the adding of numerical numbers. In that first one is commutative property. Second one is grouping property. Next one is additive identity. See, commutative property, grouping property and additive property means, commutative property means we are adding two numbers in any order, we will get the sum. It will be same. We are changing the index in the digits also, we are getting the same. The next one, grouping property means what? More than two numerical numbers. Whenever we are adding more than two numerical numbers, the changing the order, any order also we are adding, it will be the total is same. That is the grouping property. Next, additive property means what? Whenever we are adding the numerical number to 0, then we will get the sum. It will be is a numerical number. Whatever we took the numerical number, the numerical number only will come. This is three main important properties of additions. First property we will discuss. First property is commutative property. First one is commutative property. In that commutative property, first one, I am taking one 4-digit number. See, 4365. 4365 plus 563. We are adding these two. Listen, column method we are arranging 4365, then 3, 6 and 5 we are adding. First one is 4 digits, second one is 3 digits. First we can go to 8, 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 6 12. 12 means we have to take the first number is goes to carry, then one is 2, then 5 plus 8 plus 1 is 9, it will be 4928. We are adding to the two numbers, we got the sum, it will be 4928. Then we have to, next whatever the property we desire, we are changing the index in the group also, we will get the same. See, mean what? First we have to add in the 563, next we have to write 5, 6, 3, 4. We are adding first 3-digit number, down we have to write 2-digit number 8, 12, then can go to 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9. Will be same. We are changing the order also, we got the sum is it will be same. This is property we will call is a, this property we will call is a commutative property. Okay, understood children? This is the commutative property under addition. Next one, grouping property. Grouping property means, for example, grouping property. In the grouping property, we are taking more than two numerical numbers. In the grouping property, we have to take more than two numerical numbers. See here, 593 plus 428 plus 362. See children, here all are having 3-digit numbers only. If you need 3-digit numbers or 2-digit numbers, any numbers you have to take more than 4-digit number also you can take. It will be easy. We have to apply the grouping property. That's it. Whatever we are taking the numerical numbers, in between those numerical number we will keep the addition symbol. See children, now next one it will be say, whenever we are adding the order change, first we are adding these two. First we are adding these two. See first one, 593 plus 428 plus 362. See children, in that second two numbers we are adding first two, then second one, first two numbers we are adding. First these two numbers we can add. See whatever it will be, 428, 362. Then 8 plus 2 is a 10. 8 plus 2 is a 10. Means what, it will be 0. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, 790 we got. You can write as usually 593 plus you can write the 790. Then plus we have to here. Now we can add these two numbers. Which one is there? 593, 428. 8 plus 3 is 11. Then 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 2 12. 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. It will be become 1021 plus 362 we got. Okay, now I can add this again. 593, 790 we got. Both 3, 9, 9, 18. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 1300. 1383 we got. Second one, how much it will be? 1021, 362, 3831. We got how much? 1383. We got the same answers. Means what? Whenever we are adding grouping numbers, means what? More than two numerical numbers, more than two numerical number. We are ordering the first order. Whenever we are changing the order, it will be we are adding also the last sum. It will be same. See, first 3-digit we took same 3-digit number. This is also same numbers. We wrote right side on the equal number, equal symbol. Then left side on the equal symbol. First I added two last two numbers. Then the second one I added first two numbers. Then it will be finally we added the sum of two numbers. I added first number, sum of two numbers. I added first number. Then it will be become a last sum. It will be 1383 we got. This is the property we will known as, it will be is a grouping property. Okay, first one is commutative property, second one it will be is a grouping property. Next one is additive property. Additive property. Additive property of 0. Additive property of 0 means what we have to, whenever we are adding 0 to numerical number, we will get the same numerical number only. Okay, whenever we are adding numerical number to 0 or 0 to numerical number, we will get the always is numerical number only. For example, see here, for example 822 plus 0. See, write it. 822 is 0, 0, 2, 0, 2, 2, 8. We got how much it will be is 822. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 0, 2. 8 plus 0, 8. 100 plus 0, 100. 1000 plus 0, 1000. 500 plus 0, 500. Whatever, whenever we are adding 0 to the numerical number, we will get the same numerical number only. That's why the 0 we will call is a additive identity. Additive identity. Okay. For main, what is that? 0 is a what? Additive identity. Whenever we are adding 0 to the numerical number, we will get the numerical number only. That's why we will call 0 is a positive identity. Okay children, thank you.